Okay, now we have our app with our setting plan is working perfectly, but now I think we have to recoding this CLAN interface, because now the CLAN interface has depend on the setting CLAN. Okay, so first of all, I think we have to take the currency check from our standard user default for our app node, which currency is checked in setting CLAN. Okay, we will copy this code and come back to the CLAN controller here, and we have to make a new, we set it to 0 in here. For the first time, if the user didn't setting the CLAN scene, it will be a default to 0, and it means 0 is US dollar. Okay, now I think you can see on our CLAN in here. Now we want to change this logo to the currency logo, depend on which user choose the currency. For example, Thai baht, Canadian dollars, or euros. We can change this logo depend on that. Okay, so first of all, we have to hook this image, this label, and this label to our CLAN controller. And now we keep the option and select CLAN controller in here for EBL. And now here we can change it, hook it to here. It can call it currency image. And for this label, we can change this currency code label. And for the last one, we can call this the my label. Okay, and come back to our CLAN controller. And now instead of with only using the number 0 in here, I think we using the currency checks. We using numbers element of this controller is depend on currency check. Okay, and it depends on that, so I think we have to use same filter data function here, data filter. We copy this to here. Here we're using cell here. We make current data in here. In here we don't need to current name array, no need this array. Current code array is need. Array chance cell array no need. Okay, so we have to make a new current code array here, currency code array is equal to string. Why we using only one array? Because you can see here is our interface, CLAN interface. We using the currency image depend on the currency code. For example, if we use USD, so image is USD.png, and for example in here is Canadian dollar is CAD, here's CAD.png. So we only need currency code array. It's similar. Okay, so after here and here, before we using in here. Okay, now after we finish content array, we can filter data filter, this container, right? Okay, after now we already have currency code array. We can setting up our currency image, currency code level, and currency and my level. Okay, first of all, sell currency. You can see here over arrow type in this code. I think this code have problem with this. I can quit and rerun again. You see it's not working. Sometimes it could have problem in beta. So we run again. Okay. Now currency image. We want to set this image to equal to UI image and name. Now we use the currency code array. And number is the currency check. Here we use cell currency, okay, and here cell, because we are using this inside of comparison handler, and it costs don't know where to check it. We using the cell in here, means that we use this currency check in here and currency cost array in here. Okay, that's enough for the image. Now for the currency code level. We can set text equal to cell.currency code array, and we call the number. The number is cell currency check. Okay, so that's enough for first image in here, and for this here, and next we will set this label depend on the currency. Here sales.myLabel set text. We set it for 1. Now we need a currency code in here. Sales.currency code array. We call the number is currency check. Okay, and for the, because we already set USD variables is equal to content array, and the element is with the number is cell currency check, so we don't need to change anything in here. If we set the charge price level, sell price level depend on the content arrays of the number currency check. Okay, for example, if we check the USD dollar in here, we will this value for that. If we check the Canada in here, we will have this value. Okay, so I think we check again. Now it's loading. Okay, for example, because we already set in our standard user default, the currency check is Hong Kong dollar, so we will get the data for Hong Kong dollar, and you can see here some image is not better, but first of all we will check the value inside here is correct or not. Now the value to transfer price is about 2,737. We check on here Hong Kong dollar 2,737.10. Okay, here 2,772.73. Okay, so that's correct. Now we come to our table view. Here, Hong Kong dollar, okay. British pound, okay. Malaysian ringgit, okay. Now I want to setting up our plan. I don't want to Hong Kong dollars, I want to the euro. Okay, now I stop our app run again. This Europe again. This is our plan for Europe. It's working. Now I have a little bit to change this. You can see here is the content mode for our image here. Instead of we use scale to fin, we use aspect fixed, and vertical I change it to the center. Verti is already the center. Okay. Okay, now check again. Europe is now better. Boom. Okay, you see now image is better now. Here's the chance price, sell price, and near. Now you go out to our interface in here, but you see here because you can see it when the user sees this gland and they touch this gland, and instead of bring our table in here, I think it's better if we bring, for example, if we use setting the gland to show our USD exchange, instead of showing up this table view, this all of this table view is will show up US dollar detail. Okay, when the user press this gland, it will show the detail of this US dollar. And if the user change the setting gland to, for example, is Europe, okay, and when the user sees the Europe exchange shot, Europe exchange here, and they click on the gland, it will show the Europe info in here. So how can we do that? Okay,